Come to this. Come to this.
God Almighty.
Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Cheyenne, and the reason why I popped the balloon is because I like a man who knows what he needs and not wants, and your shoe is a bit dirty.
I'm 41 Bossed. Pleasant good day.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny. Your list very long. The bag, the dressing, the slippers, the neck, the spliff behind your ears, the knuckles, the bleaching. Listen to me, just walk it, Chris.
Something them big red something there. Me no want to see a icky and tell lie. Some would like you tell me what's going on there.
Or if I icky?
Well, I icky but I'm single.
Oh, okay.
Justin, we not go work with that Justin there. We not go a funeral service. She need more weight.
That's fine, that's fine. You need more weight, you need some porridge or something. Tell the girl we give the icky if you make you some porridge and put enough milk in it because you need that calcium because your bone them look weak.
Novo Pandora.
Yo, Montego beer. It's the next pop the balloon or find love. Females, are ready? Yeah. Yo, the females them sound ready, people. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Yo, you see the drip? Peep the drip. Face by Jay-Z. Big up a big bad sponsor, Motor Stores. The baddest car mart in Jamaica. Know that. Been a long time. We come Kingston, we go Ochimobile. Which part next? We want to say New York, passport. Get your passport, Live Boss. Females, it's simple. When the man them come out, if you don't like him, you pop your balloon based on him appearance, okay? If you like him, you dig him, you know you want him. She wants me. You keep your balloon, okay? Understand no long intro, you know. The audio good? We're good, man. Watch your prank now, man. Got a night shift. Banana chip. Yo, people, rate the lineup for me now. Mobile lineup. What do you think about Mobile lineup? Better than Kingston? Ochi? Mandeville next, you know. Alright, turn in the first meal for me now. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Ready? Yo, make sure to leave a like, people. Rate the lineup. Females don't need to rate the lineup. The man them, okay? Tell me if me I go on good. Me I try my best, you know. Yeah? Come to this. Come to this. Alright, come to the side, Amaji. Introduce yourself. You know?
Well, I'm 41 Bossed. Pleasant good day. Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright. Shout out to social.
My TikTok is 641 Badman Code. And the other main page is 41 Bossed.
Alright, my G. Then pop the balloon, but tell me why you type. What type of female you like?
Well, designer body, stiff breast.
Just use that mic.
Like stiff breast and designer body, you know? Short. That's my type.
Alright.
Type shit.
Alright, so we'll find out who why them pop the balloon. Who you want to go with first? She? Alright. Come to the side there. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Cheyenne. Reason why I popped the balloon. I don't know what go on here, so. And your foot in the slippers, it throw me off. That's all.
What go on here, so? What up?
They something them big red something there. I don't want to see a icky and tell lie. Some would like you tell me what's going on there.
Or if I icky?
Well, I icky but I'm single.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so based on him appearance though, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Would I give him a 6?
6.
Yeah.
What you like about him?
Like him pretty hair and him height.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think about she, G?
Well, more than give her like approximately. Yeah, well, I give her the same 6 where she give me.
6. Just because she get a 6.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
She's
Give him
sexy.
honest.
Mostly thing me see with her, she's sexy.
Alright, no problem. I go down the line. Alright, your name why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Miss Sam. Because I'm a dupes.
Well, you pop it because of your dupes?
Yeah,
Your friend zone him.
yeah.
Your friend zone him, G.
Yeah, friend.
So much did I rate your friend?
Nah lie, a good youth. I give him a 9.
Because a good youth.
Good youth.
You want to rate your friend? Eh?
Friend of 10.
Alright.
Hey, it's your girl Miss Sam. Follow my Instagram, official Miss Sam. Miss Sam _ flawless. Baddest nail tech around town.
Alright, use up the mic here, G.
Alright, I'm father.
Alright. Your name why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny. Listen to me.
I'm going to write this down.
Me no know where we start. Too much something. Your list very long. The bag, the dressing, the slippers, the neck, the spliff behind your ears, the knuckles, the bleaching. Listen to me, just walk it, Chris.
Huh? Awkward Grace?
Not my type, baby. Sorry.
So much did I rate him from 1 to 10? Huh?
Oh God, you know what? I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you a 3.
3.
Yeah.
What you say about that?
You look like you have a nice personality, but at this point, the bad that outweigh the good. Me sorry, me not even really want to get to know you because too much something.
What you say about that, G? How much did I rate her? The mic.
Alright, more than give her approximately.
It
Me only
good.
give her 1.
It good. It good.
I'm gonna
Thank
give
you.
her. I'm gonna give her 1 because me don't like the old man dressing. Me don't like the makeup
No problem.
and
That's fine.
the piercing. Turn me
All
off.
right. No problem.
Hmm.
Anything else? Anything else you'd like to add to the list?
But she have a nice personality. Yes,
All right.
good woman.
But just adjusting on the...
Yeah, me don't really like that.
All right. I'm not gonna just like a stripper, so that's fine.
Alright.
It's your type of vibe, so we not gonna work. 'Cause my vibe and your vibe are 2 different vibes. Not gonna work.
Alright.
No problem, father.
Me back. You don't know it's a girl Zenny. You can follow me on my socials at ZennyXZenny. That's ZenniiX. Follow my business pages at Enesy Slay Per Usual. That's my skin and hair care line. And you can follow my clothing store at Code Closet on Instagram.
Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Paula. The reason why I pop my balloon is because, like, really, me have to say the icky, the bleaching, the height is alright, but him also look young and very immature. I mean, I really want to go in the corner there, so that's the reason why I pop my balloon.
Alright. Alright. So much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
2.
Two.
Yeah, 2.
Alright. So what you think about she, G? How much did I based on her
Well,
appearance?
Based on her appearance, would I give her? I'll give her 4.
4.
Yeah.
That good. That's all like a good number.
She not look 3 bad, but you know she look 2 bad. Same like when me a pass, like the dressing.
She not look 3 bad, but she look 2 bad.
Yeah, she look 2 bad. The dressing, we not gonna work with that dressing there. We not go a funeral service. You understand? And Yeah, she need more weight.
That's fine, that's fine. You need more weight, you need for, and you need some porridge or something. Tell the girl we give you the icky if you make you some porridge and put enough milk in it because you need that calcium because your bone them look weak.
But otherwise, I like her natural skin tone and thing.
Yeah. All right.
Hello everyone, my name is Paula. I'm a fashion designer. Chili Closet by Paula on Instagram. And I also sell fragrances as well, Bath and Body and Victoria's Secret. Follow it down.
Go down the line. All right. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Mikhail. Is it true me now have DD? Where you call your body there? Where your body name? That type of yes. Me
Designer body.
And my breast I'm not too stiff because I have a 5-year-old. So mosquito will bite you big. You I'll give you one 8 still, but one I'm in trouble.
All right. So you think about she get a 8.
Yeah,
Yes, fine, yeah.
one, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, one, you know, father.
You give her 1.
Yeah, me give her one. She just a start. And
It's just a start. What?
like she just a get ready for put on her clothes. You understand? You look away there.
I don't understand.
You don't really understand. Well,
I don't understand.
she not really all that like. I know
take
really
off my
my
lash.
type, you know.
Huh?
You take off your lash?
I was in lashes.
Why-
I wonder if I blind me see walking at
I'm
first.
black
But you
woman.
still get a 8. Me will take you one.
But she not ready. She just a put on her clothes?
Yeah, I'm not like it black woman thing.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Racist.
So if you not like black woman, so black woman come in many different shades, so don't get it twisted about black woman.
brown, you were black. Before you were brown, you were black.
My statesman.
Hi, I'm Mikhail. You can follow me on Instagram on MickeyBoo_23 and on TikTok MickeyBoo_404.
All right. Come on, go down the line. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Jassy. I don't like man with bleach out, with the bleach out foot and the foot back in half, yeah. I like that. This foot now buck again.
For days.
This one now buck again.
Oh, so you used to go for that type there?
No, but they want too much.
Wait, what you say about that, my G?
No problem. Anything when she say I lie, no.
So much did I rate him?
Give me 5.
5. 5. She gave her 5. Based on fair appearance. You just see her and ask her for your number?
No, father. No, sir.
Same thing, we don't ask you for it either.
No. So much did I rate her based on her appearance?
Give her a 1 too. She just a start. 1.
And you just a start.
Give her a 1.
You just a start too.
Give her a 1, but
You can't
Like-
bleach
like-
and not get a pedicure.
I like the skirt. Only thing I like about her skirt. Yeah.
Like her skirt.
Yeah, I like her skirt and I look neat on her. That alone I like. Yeah.
But everything else?
Everything else, me not like.
Oh.
Alright, my G. Go down the line.
Down the drain.
Do what?
Down the line.
Okay, down the line. Alright, your name? Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Alright, why you pop the balloon?
I don't like bleachers. Can't manage the bleach. So if me I take care of you, I take my money by bleaching, it's no in our work. Can't bother with all of them the bite upon your neck neither. Can't happen. Imagine you come say you're single, you come with icky on your neck. That's not right. No woman, no like woman them not go like that. That is not right. You have a woman, you stay home with your woman. Everybody here, everybody here, everybody here that look somebody who is single. But obviously it's a woman that gave it to you.
Right, my G.
It's a woman that gave it to you, so obviously you have a woman at home. We don't have a man. That's why we come there look one. You have a woman. You know if you come look no more what you have.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Boy, I can't rate him at all. Now work.
Scale, the rating's high.
The rate is the down at one place or one part. Negative. Honestly to God, me can't manage him. And we make me want to fight him. Fight, like literally fight him. No, I know a flesh part of business. How me and you go there, you come and show the look woman and me go sit down and watch you. Me fight you. I say, come on. As I walk through the door, good like a big buckle I get.
Oh, so he's a fighter.
Yeah. He fight to want to me.
So
And
yes.
mine. Me not depend that. What for me, I'm supposed to mine and mine alone. You're supposed to, after me and you don't do what we do when you come with Icky for your leg pan show about you're single. That not work.
My G, based on her appearance, what you think? Much did I rate her?
Yes, for her appearance, how more than rate her. No, don't want to give her one more than one, give her 1 0.
So you go.
God no, and the biggest turn off I tone clothes. Tone clothes, you know really.
So you
I don't
go.
really like a tone clothes thing, you know. Yeah, me not like when my woman cheap and look cheap and it
Tone clothes.
Yeah, it 3 bills.
Cheap and clean look good same way.
It not gonna work.
Not
Like-
because you in a whatever that you in a.
But otherwise from that still
Yeah.
not my type, but I love all like woman them and the woman them beautiful, but and me can't me see like approximately 3 women them would end there without a whole lot.
Yes, it's
True.
true. Yes, it's
Yeah,
true,
me see
woman.
3 where would I say alright, pass.
Oh, 3. Yes, it's 3 in a line we can pass.
Alright.
Alright then. Come to the side then.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sasheen, aka Miss Brooklyn. Run over to my Instagram. It's Miss Brooklyn, and also big up my dance company, Golden Seduction. You know, on Instagram, Golden Seduction. So if you know a dancer, wanna forward.
Alright, so everybody pop them balloon. Them I forgot. Walk with grace here.
With you. No problem.
Alright, my G. Today, everybody pop them balloon pan you. So you never get a match. So walk with grace, yeah?
I believe.
Yeah, my G.
Dance.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. To this side.
How's it going?
All right. Introduce yourself.
Zane Myers. I'm a singer-songwriter from California. And
All right. So what's your type? Zane?
my type?
Yeah, what's your type? What
I
type of female I like?
mean, I don't really have a type. You know, there's beautiful ladies in every country, I'd say. So, yeah.
All right. So have you ever dated a Jamaican female?
Nah, I got brought out here by my friend Kaini. I make music with him. So, and then, yeah, I've only met a couple Jamaican girls out here. So,
Oh, so you've never been with a Jamaican female before? Okay. All right. So you don't have a type. Nobody pop the balloon. Just. All right. So we'll find out why them pop the balloon. That's good.
yeah.
All right. Shout out your social.
Yeah, Zane Myers 21, and then Zane Myers on all platforms pretty much for music and everything.
All right. Let's go this side. All right. Come to that side. Talk with me. Yeah. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Mikhail. The reason I pop my balloon is because I don't do light skinned niggas. Sorry.
Okay. That's cool.
Okay. All right. Because I'm complexion.
White.
Huh?
Too white.
Oh.
White guys.
All right. Yeah, I usually don't go based off skin color, but that's cool though.
That's okay.
All right. So how much did I rate him though?
8.
8. You get an 8.
Appreciate it. Yeah, that's cool.
All right. Judging, she's a Jamaican female. What could you rate her from 1 to 10?
I would say she's probably about an 8 too. You know,
She's an 8. What do you like about her?
she has pretty eyes.
Hmm?
You have pretty eyes.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
Thank you.
All right. So we're gonna come to this side then because.
Oh.
Huh?
She wants to say something.
Yeah. All right. Let's go.
All right, let's see.
All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Brooklyn,
Why you pop the balloon?
Nice name.
skin tone.
Skin tone.
Yeah, I like my Jamaican man them.
triggering.
Oh,
Hopefully,
so
it's not all based off skin tone.
no.
Yeah.
All right, so you like Jamaicans or is a skin tone
I
thing?
like Jamaican.
All right.
All right.
Probably it's because I never met like out of my country dark skin. Maybe that's why, but just like the dark skin.
All right, so how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
8.
8?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about she?
I think she's probably about like 7, 8.
Yeah, what you like about her?
She has nice body, I'd say.
Nice body.
Yeah.
Thank
Her
you.
body.
Thank you.
All right. All right.
I mean, be
you.
truthful, you know.
Yeah,
Be
definitely.
honest as much as possible.
All right, so we're gonna have to go down the line. You're here. All right, why you pop the balloon?
Never burst balloon. And Bercy. No.
You didn't pop a balloon?
No.
So you
Somebody
want
else
back a balloon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can somebody? It was by accident?
Mm-hmm.
All right, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Paula. I'm not really. Him say I'm not really of a type. I don't like a man who doesn't know what he wants, cause I know what I want. So, yeah, this is a a dark skin country. So if you don't know what type of woman you want, it just goes. Yeah. So
I like
we
dark
don't
skin
like that.
women, for sure.
Yeah, but
yeah.
you never specify what you like. So it just seems like you're
Yeah,
open
no,
to
I don't-
anything that comes.
I don't
along
necessarily
your
have
way.
a type, even when it comes to dark skin, light skin. You know,
So
like,
what's your
so-
type really? What do you go off when you're when you're
I live in
looking for
America,
a girl
so
in a
there's.
relationship?
I live in America, so there's a lot of, or in California specifically, so there's a lot of different types.
Yeah,
of
but
girls,
what do you
know.
go for? Like, what do you normally go for? What you're liking? You don't have you just go at anybody who throw themselves at you like.
I don't know, maybe like curly hair,
Mm-hmm.
but you know, good,
Oh.
nice eyes, curly hair, you know, cute face gives me good look, you know. Like
Alright.
that's usually what I go for.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much you rate him based on him appearance?
I'm gonna give him a 6.
6 out of 10. What do you think about she?
Alright.
How much you rate her?
I would give her like an 8, 9, honestly. I like your dress.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I made it.
nice style.
9 or 8? Which one?
I'll go 9. I'll go 9. Yeah,
9.
She's cute. Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. All right, to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny. I popped the balloon because, well, you have really nice eyes, but you're not really my type per se, and you seemed really indecisive, like you're just going with the flow. So it's just like, it's whatever. That's the type of vibe I was getting, and that's kind of the worker for me.
Or you like a straightforward guy?
Yeah, like it is what it is, period.
I like your name, by the way.
Thank
Just
you.
close to mine.
Oh,
My name's Zane.
all right.
But
Z family.
yeah. But yeah, no, I understand that for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you think about him? Like,
Oh my
if him did approach you, like, would you have given him your number?
The eyes are cute, but no. No, I wouldn't.
Why?
If he approached me like this, no. I'm not really digging your dressing, baby. For me, you need to do more where
Okay.
the outfit is concerned, you know?
Sounds good.
All right. What do you think about she?
I'll give her a 9 for sure. I like the Z name, the necklace. Good style.
Thank you.
Fashion style.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Come to this side. All right. So you didn't pop the balloon, but why no? And your name?
My name is Miss Sam. I wanted to hear a bit more, but he's not my type. I do like his fashion sense, so like with the pearls and the rings and all.
You like that?
Yeah, and that he like curly hair girls. So
You don't have curly
I
hair?
have curly hair. I like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, she has nice hair.
Mhm.
Yeah.
No, my natural hair. I have a wig now, but my
Oh,
natural
okay,
hair is
okay.
really curly.
Oh.
Yeah,
nice.
underneath.
Okay. Curls where I'm from, they could be like wavy, even, like
Oh, like
'Cause-
wavy.
yeah, like wavy, curly, like it's nice.
So you think about her appearance though?
I'll give you a 7.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like your hair.
Okay.
All right. Her hair is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a hair person.
Yeah, I like hair for sure. Yeah, I feel like I'm a first appearance, person. So like, but not all the way. Like, for conversation, if I want to talk to somebody, it's if they vibe, give me a vibe. So I feel like hair, eyes, the way somebody talks, like, yeah.
All right. So what do you think about him?
I'll give him a 5
5.
out of 10.
Why 5?
If he had my type, we'll get a 10, but you get half right.
All right. That's good. What do you think about that?
That's nice. That's cool.
All right.
I get half.
Yeah. All right. Come to this side. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Cheyenne, and the reason why I popped the balloon is because I like a man who knows what he needs and not wants, and your shoe is a bit dirty. Yes.
Yeah, I've been here in Jamaica a couple of days, so my shoes got dirty. I didn't have too much time to clean up.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
It's my
don't-
first time to Jamaica, so I had to run around a little bit,
Okay.
You don't like dirty shoes?
No.
I'm sorry.
All right. So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I would give him a 3.
Yeah, I would probably give you about the same. You have nice glasses.
Thank you.
Oh, you would I give her a 3?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 out of 10. But why 3? Because of his shoes?
Yeah, and he doesn't know what he wants.
All right. That's it. Just quit it out.
Mm-hmm.
What about you? Why you give her a 3?
I said I like her glasses, but that's about it.
You just give her a 3?
Yeah, I give her a 3.
That's it.
Yeah.
For no reason.
I mean, the vibe is not really my type at all, Like I wouldn't go
Oh.
for a girl that, doesn't like my shoes,
Okay.
I want to come in here barefoot and be able to still, look good.
Oh, you could.
I feel like I could. Yeah.
Maybe it
I was
would look
about
better
to.
barefooted or something
All right,
because the
I'll take
shoe
them off next
is
time.
very dirty.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So everybody that popped the balloon, walk with grace. All right. Come to this side, mama. All right. So you have one person that didn't pop. So you have a choice to ask her a question, and we'll find out if, based on how she answer, if it's a match or not. Okay.
One question.
Yeah, you're gonna ask her a question.
Okay.
To get to know her.
For sure. Where did you grow up? And what was it
Kingston.
like?
I'm a Kingstonian.
And what was it like?
It was actually great.
Yeah? I heard it was a bigger town, so
Yeah.
okay. I've never been there before.
Oh, hope
Yeah.
sometime you visit.
Oh, okay. You take me there?
No problem.
Yeah? All right.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't got a car here. I don't know how to drive on the wrong side of the road, so.
I can drive.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's your question.
Yeah?
All right. So what's your question?
What's your type? What you look for in a relationship?
What's my type and
What do you look for in a relationship?
in a relationship? Let's see. Nice girl, that's also a little feisty, that you like can kind of clean, be the same as my emotions, and like pretty, to me, and I don't know exactly what. Yeah.
So basically, you all look for pretty girls.
And
What
somebody
if I
that can
was
support
ugly?
somebody that can support themselves and be, cool, like has their own thing going on, because I got my own thing going on, type thing. Is the main, because I do a lot, I make music a lot, so I'm on the road a lot, and that's usually what I look for in a girl, is somebody that can kind of vibe with what I'm doing. Yeah.
All right. What do you think about that?
So only I look for somebody to carry on the road and vibe with.
You said what?
You're only looking for someone to carry on the road and vibe with.
Yeah.
You're not looking for a relationship.
I'm not necessarily looking for a relationship right now, but
All right.
but I never said no. I'm an
You said not necessarily.
I'm an optimistic type of guy.
You said not
but
necessarily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So find out why you popped the balloon. So you have to walk with grace, okay?
That was scary, bro.
What?
That was a little scary.
It was scary.
Yeah. No, that's cool though.
It was cool.
Yeah.
All right. So you been in Jamaica. This is your very first pop the balloon or find love. You know. So you know what you got to do, right?
What's up?
Walk with grace.
All right.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right. Bring him in. Right, yes, G. Right, yes, sir. All right. My G, introduce yourself.
Hello, ladies. My name is Davin Stern. I am 28 years old.
All right, Davin. What type of job are you?
I am an independent construction worker.
Give me that talk.
I do construction work.
Oh,
I'm an
you-
independent mason.
Oh, he's a mason, no laborer. All right, just use the mic here.
I can build all of you house here.
All right,
Actually.
all right. Shout out your social.
I do have a social media like a Instagram, but I have a TikTok page, Davin876.
All right. So, then pop the balloon. We'll find out why them pop. Okay.
Yeah.
Your choice. Just tell me who you want to start with first. Use up the mic here.
Alright.
Use the mic. Who you want to
I
start
will
with
start
first?
with tickers.
Right here.
Yeah.
I'll come to the side. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Cheyenne. The reason why I pop the balloon is because he's too short.
Him height.
Yeah.
One team height. Like you not like sharp man.
No, me like look up in them face.
Look
No
up.
problem.
Yes, look up and say daddy.
No problem.
When me
no
look down,
problem.
you feel like my son.
Also, when him short, it just feel like a once.
Yeah.
All right. How do you think about that, my G?
Well, no problem. I feel a choice. You know, most ladies love to tell somebody. So.
Tall man, a lead. Yeah. All right. What you think about him though, based on his appearance?
Him can go on.
Go on.
Yeah.
How much you da rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.
7, my G.
Okay.
What you think about that?
Yeah, that good. That good.
All right. So if she never pop her balloon, what you think? You da talk to her, like you da approach her?
Yeah, actually, but would I go for more somebody shorter? Yeah, could become like me over my woman. Isn't it?
You like look down. Yeah. Okay. How much you da rate her from 1 to 10?
Would I give her a 9? Actually, she look good, and I like black skin woman too. I like woman with bleaching skin, isn't it?
You like her complexion?
Yeah, I like bleachers woman.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. We'll go down the line. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny. I popped the balloon because I like darker guys, and for me too, your height is an issue.
Okay.
Also, I did not like the tag that you have hanging out on your pants. It's
Okay.
kind of a deal breaker for me.
Yeah.
Do?
The tag that he has hanging out.
You have a tag?
Yeah. I guess.
Okay.
It's a deal breaker for me.
You know like tag?
No, I don't think I need to see your tag.
But every pants come with a tag.
It can go inside or you could take it off.
What is about that, Maji?
Well, that a fair choice too, isn't it? No problem, isn't it? Everybody like their own type, is it? Yeah.
All right, what do you think about him though, based on him appearance?
You're well put together. I can give you a 6.
6.
Okay, no
My
problem.
G.
No problem, that good.
What do you think about she? Like, you the approach her up on the road?
Yeah, actually she look good, but as I say, I like my woman them more dark. I mean like brown skin woman, isn't it?
Okay.
Like my girls are more darker, like you understand? Yeah, I like feel melanin. Like when me rub me hand on a woman's skin, me like feel melanin.
You can feel melanin?
Yeah, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or feel
Yeah,
skin?
roughness, like, you know.
Or melanin rough?
Yeah, roughness. Yeah. You know.
That's crazy, but okay.
I understand. Understand. All right, so you say how much you rate her?
Well, would I give her a 5 out of 10 still? Isn't it? Cause I like my woman them tick. So.
Thank you.
5 out of 10? Yeah. That's a good price.
Yeah.
Numbers price. All right.
That's good. That's good. I'm good. I know I'm a 10, so period.
You know?
I know I'm a 10, period.
And too much makeup too.
That's
like,
okay.
I
I like
me
being
like
cute.
woman that love makeup inside.
That's fine. That's why I'm not your type.
More.
Right.
All right, Maji. All right, I'm going to go down the line. All right, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Mikhail. The reason I pop the balloon is I'm too short. I'm too short.
Too short.
Too short. Him look nice, yeah? Him just could look good, but You too short, baby.
Or say you have short and you have too short?
Him too short.
I am 6 foot.
Eh?
Yeah.
Well, if you're 6, me a 7 then.
Okay.
Because me look taller than you.
Okay.
But you're too short.
Oh, but him same as 6 foot.
Yeah, that's
Well, like me a 6'5" then. But you're too short. You look nice and everything.
okay.
You look nice and everything, but you're just too short for me.
Alright, so based on him appearance though, how much you rate it?
But I give him a 8, man.
8.
Mm-hmm.
What you like about him?
Him look nice. Trash out. Yeah.
Trash.
Trash out. Look good. That's what I have to say, nothing else.
That's how maybe you talk trash out.
What's that so?
What you say about that, Maji? What you think about that?
Well, respect that still, because actually, when I get no this one and them, actually I get a point. So, good.
Yeah, so how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I would give her a 7. She look good, but I like my woman more thicker, you know. Yeah.
Oh, thick.
Yeah, round.
Also melanin and thick.
Yeah, you know. Not really thick till like shaking in the butt. Yeah.
Oh, not thick for shake.
Yeah. Just firm.
Alright, yeah.
What's your code still?
Alright. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Jessie. I pop the balloon because me slim, my maga, bony. Yeah, and you like thick girl, I'm not thick. But it's not my type though. Yeah. But me give you 5.
5.
Yeah.
So you say, but you're maga.
And him like thick as not thick.
So is it that just because you're maga, why you pop the balloon, or because him and your type?
Just not he's not my type.
You give him a 5.
Yeah.
Alright, so if him approach you, give me a number?
Nah, depends.
Depends on what.
Cause my only people who text me about business alone.
Or so if him approach you with business, give me a number.
Yeah.
Business you did.
Not that business. Work. Business. Entertainment.
I never mean that.
Oh.
Okay, alright. What do you think about she, Maji?
She look good, she look short and sexy and everything. But one problem though, respect her opinion, but one problem, the dressing is for only the bedroom. The dressing is for the bedroom. No, but
Oh,
she
like-
look, yeah, but she look good, she round, with her approach her, you understand? So she cool.
Or so just you don't want your girl come outside.
No, like if she bend, you gotta see actually, don't a be. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, so if she bend, no, you sit down a Montego Bay?
Yeah, you gotta see don't a be. You know what I mean?
What do you think about that? You have Moby right there, so?
That me I said too.
But as I say, she look good, you understand? With her, you know, approach her and thing. But if me and her a deal, she would have to
Tone it
take care of
down.
her dress code, you know?
Oh, take care. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay then.
Like too much short something or in her bedroom.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright.
But she's sexy and everything. Yeah.
Alright then. Alright, mama. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Brooklyn. The reason me pop the balloon, I like dark skin. I'm like, maga man, you're too thick for me. Like, me can't bother.
You like dark skin and maga man?
Yeah,
Which one first?
dark skin and maga man.
Oh, so
She like tall man then, like.
You know, have to talk because baby father don't talk, so you
No,
know, have
but
to
mostly
talk.
when you're maga, you're tall, isn't it?
No, not all of them. Not everybody.
Okay.
alright, so what you think about him attire?
Can go and he look good. I like man in black, so you can go on.
Oh,
8
so
out of 10 for me.
8 out of 10 because of the man in black. Man in black shirt you have on?
Biggest one.
Okay, alright. What do you think about she, Maji?
She look good, she look gorgeous. I like how she dress, I like her smile.
Thank
I
you.
like just having too much makeup, you know what I mean?
I don't wear makeup, sorry.
Exactly. So
Don't
me
wear
like,
makeup.
you know, she cool. I like give her a 7 too.
7.
Yeah.
Yeah?
To go.
Alright, Maji. Alright. No blood. Come to the side, eh? Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Paula. The reason why I popped my balloon is because, well, I wanted to hear what you were saying first, but you said you like thick girls and dark skin girls, and I'm neither. So
Yeah, none of that.
no. So
No, the reason why I say that, like, that part is like
You mess up there.
The bedroom part. You understand?
Oh,
But, yeah, but differently. me like a person with like kind heart and honest opinions. You understand? So, you know, I'm is a Virgo as well. Me is my family love and me ready to go to bed. No matter if a brown, 'cause right now, me I deal with somebody and a brown color share. So I just
Well, that don't make no sense really, because if you like a thick girl, dark skin girl in the bedroom,
But just I tell you
why?
I just I tell you my honest part.
Yeah, but you should always go for what you desire so that you don't have a reason to
Exactly. That is the
cheat.
reason why
So
I'm
that's
saying.
what, yeah.
That is the reason why I'm saying that I'm dealing with someone right now where she is lighter complexion more than you, and I still go with her because, you know, her heart.
That's what you can get at the time. That not sound right.
Huh?
That not
No,
sound
no,
right,
but
because
that's
right
not-
now,
no,
if I'm me and she, me I feel a way say like
No,
you like
bro.
dark skin
No,
girls
but you know,
and she's not dark skin.
Honesty
Like,
is the most important thing to me
yeah, but
in a relationship.
you're not honest because
No,
you're
I'm
not living in
honest.
your true life,
No, I'm
because
honest.
you desire something else. You desire dark skin and thick
No,
girl.
that is my like, but I'm showing you that if you
Okay,
is a
so you
person
settle for that.
if you is a person that genuine and you have skin, you will matter to me, you know. But my
Okay.
likes,
Oh,
you
okay.
understand? Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so basically, how much did I rate her?
Well, would I give her a hair? Cause she look like wife material. You know what I mean?
Ow.
Yeah, you know, cook all her food and anything. there,
Yeah,
look
and I
like,
can
you
cook.
know.
I'm a good chef, so nobody
Yeah,
watch the
so,
aesthetic.
Would
Yeah.
I give her?
Good, he can cook. Yeah.
All right, and you say you like rate him how much?
I'd give him. Go ahead.
No, you rate it already.
I'd give him a 8 out of 10 too, because him look good and him sound like it, but him just want a little. You know, you need to take what you like and not what you can get. That's not
Honesty,
really good.
Honesty.
Yeah, I know it's honesty,
It's
but
honesty.
All right. All right, Muji. All right, so somebody pop their balloon. I'll come to that side of Muji.
Oh, tickers.
Yes. All right, so why all of a sudden you pop the balloon, but you didn't at first?
I didn't at first because of his profession, but then when he started saying that he didn't like ladies in makeup, I'm a makeup artist and I'm light skinned. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, him just theme box never take off for you.
Yeah. And then his fashion doesn't fit my style. And then
Full black.
no, just how he put it together. And then I like my man very dark chocolate. Yeah.
Okay.
And then he's a Virgo. I'm a Virgo. I cannot date a Virgo.
So the list continues.
Yeah. And then he has a girlfriend. And
No,
he's
I'm not
here.
saying
You said
it's
you
a
date.
girlfriend.
You
Say
said
I'm
you're,
dealing with someone.
but
It's
you're
not
here looking
definitely
for love.
It's not definitely a girlfriend. You understand? I'm just dealing with like when I start date with us, get to know. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
So how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
3.
Why 3?
For the profession.
Because him is a hard worker.
95. I like that.
we're on a YouTube channel as well.
I like that. Still 3.
So 3
Yeah.
out of 10.
Right.
What do you think about her? Like how much should I rate her though?
Alright, we can judge her first before we talk about the ratings, right?
Alright.
Alright. I like her cool skin and stuff. I like her body thick, but we don't like, as I said, too much makeup, man. You look like, you know, when you are very dead and they make up your face and stuff, we don't like. So, but I give her 6. Because when I say she well put together, she look good. I don't deny that. But too much makeup. Yeah?
Also, you would have liked for
Yeah,
know how she look.
I like
under.
when I kiss the woman, too much makeup I come off on my lip and all these things. You know, really.
Okay.
So you'd have liked for know what's underneath the makeup?
Underneath, well, as I say, she look beautiful, she well put together.
No, but you're saying not like a girl with too much makeup.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it that you wonder if she's beautiful under the
No,
makeup?
I know say she beautiful under the makeup, but still, you know, yeah.
Okay.
All right. All right. So everybody that pop their balloon, walk with grace for me now. Yes. All right, my G. Today you never get a match.
Okay.
You know it go.
Yeah, man.
Walk with grace for me now.
All right.
Wow. Females, watch you now. I really want to get a match. On the match is outside, okay?
So
It's outside, okay?
I doubt it.
I really want you guys to get a match, okay? We really, because I'm gonna come here for fire love. We're gonna send in the next meal. We're gonna see. Just please wait until him reach right here, sir. That's okay? Yeah. All right. Send in the next meal for me. Wait. Wait until him reach right here, sir. Right here, sir.
Yeah, right there, somewhere there. My name is Kayini King. My IG, my Instagram, my TikTok is KYENIE_King, KING.
Kayini, all right. So what type of work you do?
I'm a musician,
Musician.
guitarist,
Guitarist.
singer-songwriter.
All right. I know, boy. All right. You say you shout out the social, right?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Kayini King, YouTube, KY-ENIE, KING.
All right. So what type of female you normally go for?
Spontaneous. Say sense of humor. I love an intelligent woman.
Yeah.
I love a woman. Say physically, you know, like into physical fitness and
Okay.
mountain outdoors,
Oh,
outdoor
hiking.
hiking. Yeah, yeah. I'm into yoga and
Alright.
physical training and stuff like that.
So we got some pop. So we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Okay, yes.
All right, so come to the side, yeah? Yeah, right, sir. Oh, yeah, I didn't. All right, your name? Why pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny.
Hi, Jenny.
I popped my balloon because when you walked in, it was just like a no for me. Your appearance for me is not it. No, I don't like the hair. You're not my type. The shoes.
Oh, what you don't like about the shoes and what you don't like about my ear?
I don't do locks.
You don't do locks?
No.
Why not locks?
It's just not my type. I don't like a guy that has locks.
So is that real natural hair on your head?
No, it's not.
So you're having like a crisis or reflection crisis, because if you look at me, I'll be a reflection of you in a relationship. So that means I look for somebody who balance. You know, so if you have a problem with somebody who's naturally,
It's not a matter of fact if you
and
being
the
natural-
shoes, them walk in the dirt. So shoes can always clean. You want somebody with a deeper mental capacity
As a
than
matter of
that.
fact of being natural, I personally don't want to be with a man that has locks.
Okay, well, appreciate
That's
that.
not my type.
Yeah,
So I'm not gonna
so-
be with a man that has locks.
So obviously you would never fit the criteria that I'm looking for, because
You never
I don't
fit
like.
criteria that I'm looking for.
No. This just be a beautiful queen, but I'm just saying you can't see a reflection of a king. So that we
You're not
pass
a
upon
king,
that.
though. You're not a king.
I was born with the name, so you know. So
All right, so
beg to differ.
how much did I rate him?
Two.
Too.
Kayeni, what do you think about her based on her appearance, though? How much did I rate her?
Appearance, we're deeper than appearance. So physically she alright, but capacity, mental wise, brain wise, and say self-esteem wise, I'll give her like a
What does self-esteem has to do with me not liking locks?
no. It's a self-esteem issue, because you can't have you don't see a reflection of yourself. So you have everything fake on you, and I'm having everything real on me.
Being
And
natural is not the issue. I don't like locks.
so that means you don't like yourself.
Because I don't like locks, I don't like myself.
Yeah, because
your reasoning ability is very low.
No, it's not a reasoning ability thing, because if you take the falls hair out of your head, your ear probably grow locks
My
if you
hair
don't
is
comb
not
it.
locks.
No,
That's
but if
the
you
point,
don't
and
comb
I'm
it,
not
you're
gonna
gonna
grow locks because I don't like locks.
I like a rooted woman, so respect.
I'm not rooted, so go on along.
No, I know.
All right, so you rate her already?
Just physical appearance. So she, I gave her 4.5, 5.
All right, cool.
Yeah,
All right.
and that's like being generous.
All right, generous. Come to the side, emoji. All right, your name? Why pop balloon?
Hi, I'm Miss Sam, and it's just a no for me.
All right. All right, so if he had approached you, though, would you have?
If me approach you in the street,
It would be a no for me because you wouldn't see me in the street.
Oh, you don't go in the streets
No,
at all?
I'm chauffeured from home to my shop, and from my shop to my home.
so what do you do for a living?
Huh?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a cosmetologist.
And
I own and operate a spa.
okay, beautiful. So you're an entrepreneur doing your thing. So what you don't like with a natural man?
I don't have have an issue with a natural man.
What, ki-
It's
what, kind-
just,
what type of guys you look for, though?
I
Qualities.
like a strong black man.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
It's
right.
just a no for me.
Okay, appreciate
I'll
that.
just friend zone you.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That would be the same with me too, because
Yeah.
physically and
I'm not your type.
No,
I'm
no,
not
no, no, no. You but deal with fluffy man. Trust me,
No,
not that
but
type.
I'm not physically fit. I'm
No.
not gonna do a hiking and all that thing.
Yeah, so
I'm not that type.
I want somebody who
Medically, I cannot. do all
medically
of
you
that,
can.
yeah.
Okay, well that's different, but you still have to deal with health issues. And it's not a physical shame. It's not a physical trying to knock down your physical, because I dealt with plus size models before. But it's just like, this day and age right now, we want something deeper than just sex and physical appearance, because we're deeper than that.
All right. So, how much should I rate her? Kayene?
Yeah, she know a buckle for the same position. 4.5, 5.
4.5.
No,
And I'm sure if I had rated him on another level, he would have rated us on another level.
no, because when I rate, when I
You
rate
can
is
move
like,
along,
okay,
finish
respect.
now.
All right, cool, mama.
right.
Black nails.
All right, come to the side there, Kayene. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Cheyenne. The reason why I pop my balloon is because you love to go toe to toe with women.
No, it's not.
I don't like that.
It's not going toe to toe.
And I don't like your shoe.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all.
All right. So, him shoes and like the response.
Yes.
All right,
Back
so-
and forth. I don't like it.
Well, so that means you're afraid of a conversation, and
No.
going back and forth is not have to be argumentative. You understand? So we want somebody who can respond depths and just not physical appearance, because everything, like for the two first ladies, everybody's dealing on physical, and there's so much here for you to learn. There's so much to learn beyond that.
What I've just experienced is you going toe to toe in an argumentative phase. So what I'm saying to you, darling, I don't like that.
Okay, well, appreciate your opinion, and maybe we can reason more and get a better understanding of communication.
No
All right,
problem.
bless
All
you, love
right.
and
So,
peace.
how much should I rate him?
7.
7. That's good.
Yeah,
So every
me
time-
rate her a 7.5, yeah, because I love chocolate skin,
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, Kayene.
yeah,
Come to the side here.
yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
So my name is Paul. The reason why I popped my balloon, he was going off about like wearing fake this and fake that. They have nothing to do with the confidence. And the fact that him have, maybe just want to hear him have to say, but him coming with that scarf thing over your head, that's not a, yeah, I'm just not like the outfit overall, but yeah.
What's your name again?
My name is Paula.
Paula, and your occupation?
I'm a fashion designer.
What do you look for in qualities you look for in a man then?
Qualities I look for in a man who can make me feel like at peace with myself, a man who actually will give me things. And when I say give me things, I know a lot of men wanna get rattled up about this stuff, but if you don't
Woman
like me
forget
and you
things.
don't feel like I'm the one, do not give me your things, because if I don't like you, I do not want anything from you, because I feel like the more you take from a man, the more them expect, say you're in love with them, and that can be very dangerous for us women. So if me not like you, me don't want nothing from you, but just to say I like a provider man. That's
So,
yeah.
so it's just you're just looking for a man who can give you things, or who will give you things and upgrade you and keep you at peace, and that was it. What contribution you're gonna bring to the table for him, for the man?
Well, the contribution of what men asking women what they're gonna bring to the table, to me, is very immature. And if you're a man that is going for your stuff and you're leveling up and everything, because being a man is all about competition, competing with each other, and healthy competition between men wanting to change your life and whatever. And within that, I expect men to make better choices as it relates to women, and don't feel like women are after your money and your things. Because
You're
if
right.
you put out money out there and you just want woman for money, you're gonna attract many different type of woman, but a man who knows what he wants, that's the type of man that I want. A man that know that I'm going to want to get money, okay, and stuff out of you. But if I'm not the one that you think that should get money and stuff out of you, do not choose me. Come and look for you. Choose me.
All
You
right, all
understand?
right. So
I'm not looking for a man who will give me money, because I can't do that for myself. But I just say,
you
if me
want
I
man
go-
money.
Yes, if me I go sit
Yeah,
down
we got-
whole day I worry about a man, I worry about this, I worry about that. You have to contribute, baby. Nothing no come free. If you want a nice shoe,
You know what? You know.
like
You
want
know.
to upgrade your
You
shoes,
know.
have
You
to
know.
go in the store with
You know what I
money.
do for you
So
know.
where are you gonna come for love without no money?
Oh, you.
That
Oh, we
don't
come
make
to
no
love
sense.
without money.
Yeah.
Obviously, you know
Well,
who me is. So all I stick up in,
Okay,
me make you
go
talk for a minute. So this are the thing when we talk about physical appearance. And because you judge me upon physical appearance, how me walking with my scarf and how me do my thing, you don't have no idea who me is. Mr. Accomplished recording artist who make music for a living, right? So we it's not about what you money. Life is deeper than money because we are living. What you gonna do when you don't have the money? What you gonna or you gonna build to accomplish money? What's your education skill? These are the things what the man I bring to the table in that aspect of life because we're gonna grow kids and do things together like that. So
Okay, well, you never
talk
hear
about
what
money
you
and
never
physical.
hear good women say. I'm not saying I'm throwing myself out there at men for money. May I say, if me worth it to get your money, and I think that you're worth it to get my time and attention and my nurturing, because the natural role of a woman is to nurture and keep and care. The natural
Do you
role
have
of
kids?
a man is to provide.
Do you
So
have
if-
kids?
No, I don't have kids yet. However, if me no fit the criteria of woman where you want, man, I say if you give me your money, find a woman where you gonna give your money. But
Alright.
I don't think a man should be waste, because most of a man will just waste woman time basically, and have us wondering if me are the right one or me are the this or me are the that. No.
You want the Dr. Phil show for this conversation. We can't help you with that one there. You're gonna need a counselor for that one there. So
Alright, so we just go for your name. Why you pop the balloon? Okay. Alright, so why you pop the balloon?
Him have too much attitude. I mean, I feel like say him fi have more attitude than me.
Alright, so Kaini.
well, honestly speaking,
You just
no disrespect, I mean, I have the attitude, but you look like a walking attitude. You look like a totally walking attitude.
Exactly. That's what me I say, enough you have more
so we
attitude
can't
than
have
me.
the more. There's no way to have more attitude than you.
alright, so
I mean, me not like the face nose, the two nose thing, like headlights.
That's
so,
fine.
You know,
I like
but,
scarf
but
beard either.
no, me like a chocolate skin, so we respect you
Thank
for that,
you.
and we rate you
Thank
at
you.
4.5. But it's just
4.5.
like we need to look on life and relationship and love and a more deeper aspect than just money and physical appearance. You understand? Because everything from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 6 1 right now, everybody was talking about a scarf. Yeah, and so that no, so everybody's just like dressed up in beautiful. No, and you look good, but it's just how you approach things. So it's all about what you're gonna bring for balance a man and vice versa. So me rate her at 4.
how much
Yeah.
for you? One. Alright, one. You rate him 1.
Yes.
Alright, moving along. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Jassy.
Alright, just we'll speed it up. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10? And why you pop the balloon?
2.
You rate him 2.
Yeah. Basically, if you say he's an upcoming musician or artist or whatever you say, I don't like the way you come out. Yeah. Although you're playing, I'm like it, but too much talking with everybody.
Hey,
Too
we're
much
having a
talking.
conversation. That's what the show is
No,
about.
but
We
too
get to
much
know each other.
talking, too much lecturing.
So,
What you think about she, Kaini?
so she don't want to have a conversation. She want a mule. She wants somebody else don't want to have conversation. So it's all about just what physical and no conversation.
No, but you're talking too much. Just that.
If you don't understand the level of intellect or
No, say you
conversation,
can't
then just say
talk,
that.
You know, I didn't say you can't talk, but you're talking way too much. That's the thing. On one subject.
This one subject y'all referring to me, and I'm
You're
addressing it
talking
with
on
different
one
and different
subject,
aspects.
a lot of things.
What am I talking about? Number one, you're too young for me, so you're not old enough for
Yeah, I'm
conversation.
glad for that.
Yeah. So you have a lot of growing up to do. So probably you can learn something from the show.
Oh.
Alright, come down to the side.
We don't get the last half.
Yeah. Your name, I'll speed it up. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Brooklyn.
Alright, Brooklyn. Why you pop the balloon?
Brooklyn, big up.
Why? Am I just not my cup of tea? I like dark chocolate.
Oh, we do.
Me like
Yeah.
Alright.
light skin. Only can't find some dark skin to come in here for we.
Alright.
God of his mercy, me can't manage.
Alright, so Kaine, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She don't make a scale, but we are
Them
we are big fish. We are big fish. We are big fish. We are big fish.
Upcoming artist, you need to fix up them the pay of.
And an upcoming artist, and an upcoming established. And we are come from.
You need a better pair of shoes. And you can't come out in this full suit of jeans and your shoes not happen. Just not happen.
Well, everything
And
just
then no.
everything
And
so
then no.
everything so material. It's just material
And then no.
conversation.
Wait, no,
And the
it's
shoes
not
and the
a
shoes
material.
and the shoes
No.
probably cost more than everybody
No,
outfit.
and then
That's a crazy shit.
No.
And I didn't want to go there, but I'm telling you. Bless up, my friend.
You see, one of my kids, the one he have cost more than your shoes. Let me tell you that.
Alright, come to the side of the Kaine.
Yeah.
Come to the side.
Let me just king those
Ready to walk with grace right now.
Alright, so Kaine.
Yeah.
Everybody pop their balloons. You
Yeah.
see? So what am I forgonna do? Walk with grace. Kaine.
I don't want that. But look for the shoes. Look for... This is all right. Ask the question. All right.
Basically, all this work. Once I get a match,
Yeah.
you have to go walk with grace.
No,
yeah?
go walk with grace, yeah.
Yeah, Kaine.
Shoes are comfortable, so I go walk with grace.
Yeah.
I keep up with face and pick up myself. It was fun, it was a pleasure. And me take me walk with grace down the road.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, make sure to leave a like, people. I don't know. I feel like we can get 1 million likes on the video, yeah. Because I feel like Moby are going to come out. You see it? Bring in the next mail for me now.
Afternoon, ladies.
Alright. Introduce yourself.
All right, so my name is Dishay. I can find me on social media at I_BHEE_Bones. I'm actually in the entertainment industry. And yeah, anything else, we can go on a date and talk.
Alright. What type of female you normally look for?
Just a girl, just be herself, ambitious girl. Isn't it? At the end of the day, it's a team. You know, supportive, isn't me? I'm just be yourself, bro. Is it
that's
no
good.
form editing? Isn't me? Nobody live in West society. I say, just be you. Isn't me?
Not good. Alright. So we have one pop. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So I can find out why she popped the balloon.
Sure.
Alright, let's do this. Alright. To the side of this. Alright, your name, why you popped the balloon?
My name is Paul. The reason why I popped, he looked a bit young. Too young for me, yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I actually want to look like.
Alright, just because I look young.
Yeah, just look young for me. I'm 30, so
You're 30?
I don't, yeah.
Whoa.
So I don't,
Really appreciate it.
yeah, so yeah. But I plan to be a cougar because I don't have no money to cougar. I need the money. I'm not giving the money, so.
So alright, so ask him his age. My age.
How old are you, by the way?
You want to guess?
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably 25, 22.
25, 22.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
What's your age?
Yeah, we get to that after. I joke, 30.
30. Oh, me, I had the same age. Oh. But you look young, but me look young too, but what a
You know
man
them say
look.
black dog crack, isn't it?
True,
Yeah.
true.
So you judge him.
Yeah, I did, but you know, me still I feel away, but him still look young. I'm a like darker skin guys.
You like darker skin.
Say something like?
No, you're not all that light, but you're light enough to almost be like me. I don't.
Oh, you like you brown,
Yeah,
so
me
you
like
want
a contrast kind of vibration. Yeah, so
like a painting.
yeah,
Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'd give him a 9. Him look good. Him look like him
Thanks.
have him head pan him body and everything. So like that, but it's just the age for me.
It's just the age for you.
Yeah, I'm just look young, but he is old, but he's look young. Want a guy when I step out with him, you know, men are intimidated to come up to me.
Wow.
All of that, yeah.
You know what's still, if you
That
go on a date,
dangerous kind
it's
of
everything I
vibe.
say, they learn way a lot more. Trust me. But as I say, yeah.
What do you think about her appearance?
The
You,
brother
would
art
you?
for art. I'm actually a flower guy, so I really like flowers, you see me? I have a garden and everything. 10.
10.
Yeah.
You don't put her in your garden?
Right? And water it too.
Yeah. All right. All right, my G. You want to find out? All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Mikhail.
My name?
Mikhail.
Mikhail?
Yeah, the
Nice.
reason I pop my balloon, your age.
My age?
Yeah.
Oh, so because you never had a pop it.
So Lonnie,
Never they go pop
you know, so the older person who know me age, I just own one
No,
person.
me like older than your age.
Why?
38 and
No,
over.
why I like older?
Because me like older man, they more mature.
Older man more mature.
Oh.
So you say based on the age, the mindset.
Yeah.
Alright.
But you look nice and all
Thanks.
that. But like dreadhead. But I just say age.
Just say age. You want him older, like a 35.
Yeah.
So
Up
why,
in the
why
sun.
after the show he meet at 35?
Huh?
But him, why from after the show he go outside, meet a mommy at 35 and everything. But in mindset I like 19.
Me I pop him.
Alright.
Yeah?
Cool. Yeah.
Me I pop him.
Yeah?
Alright.
All right, so what do you think about him?
Me give my 8.5.
My G, how much did I rate her?
10. Much like her attitude, isn't it?
Ah.
So yeah, 10. Wait,
yeah.
you're in the entertainment field?
I am.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Even better.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10.
Thank you.
All right. Along the line. All right, come to the side.
Oh, sorry.
All right. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Brooklyn.
Why you pop the balloon?
As me say, I like dark skin. I love my chocolate man them. Sorry. But you look good though. You look good.
I like dark skin. You know it's a Jamaica already. I know it's a sun hot. So by next week and the sun come. Yeah.
You get black, not true?
Well,
Jesus.
Oh, so you say,
me up them. Yeah.
Lord God.
so you say easy to get
I
black.
like your height.
Yeah, thanks.
I like your height also. You look like you can lift me up and show me for your shoulder.
Might leave it too far a drop.
What? Okay.
You see you?
All right, so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
9. You look good. You really look good.
Really look good.
Mm-hmm.
Was that just the
Yeah. The color.
complexion?
Yeah. You can go on though. I like it too for your hand too.
Oh, respect.
What do you think about how much should I rate her?
Yeah, 10.
Hey.
10.
Nice black girl, you know.
All right. All right, then, my G. We'll find out who's pop balloon. Come to that side here.
Oh, but then, sir.
Mm-hmm. All right. Turn. All right. Why you pop the balloon all of a sudden? Your name?
Hi, I'm Zenny.
Zenny?
Zenny, yes.
It's easy.
Your height is great. I didn't pop at first because I was trying to listen to what you have to say. You seem to be a good communicator and a good listener, which I can applaud you for that. But my biggest issue is the locks.
The locks?
I really have a deal breaker with locks.
No.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you not like locks?
I don't.
Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Why?
It's not my type of
No,
time.
no more. No, like, why experience with someone with locks?
I don't
Because
like
there's a big
it.
stereotype behind people with locks, you know.
I don't like it. I would, like I said, I didn't pop at first because I was trying to overlook that. Like I said, you're a good listener. Your appearance is okay. But the locks, I just cannot get past it.
You know, the funny thing, my love language is actually quality time. See, I miss out a lot.
I'm not missing out.
Trust me.
I'm not. I promise you.
Best believe.
I'm not missing anything at
Well,
all.
I guess you told me up on something then. I guess you told me up on something then.
Well, if you want to put it that way, but I'm okay.
No, best
You're a
believe.
nice guy.
Thanks.
I give you a 7, but it's just the locks.
Mm.
It's just the locks for me. I'm sorry.
No, no need to. Hey, opinion and no to be sorry.
Okay.
I mean, at the end of the day, the word no for me is like next opportunity, isn't it? So, as them say, more than one fish is out there, though.
He's a fisherman.
I do fishing sometimes.
All right, so how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
All right, honest. All right. I'm gonna say the lineup. Everybody has something like, isn't it?
Wow.
Tattoo, piercing, the attitude, everything, and actually piercing, like my salute, isn't it? So I'm just like I will composure right now. But yeah, I know scale heavy.
Or scale heavy?
One scale heavy. You see me?
I give you a number.
A number. Right now. Alright, tell you what. I get 100.
100.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Got the piercings. You know piercings better about.
Which one?
Yeah. Move on.
Okay, alright. Alright. Oh. Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Miss
What name?
Miss
Miss Ham?
Missam.
Nice. There's a meaning behind it?
Yes, Miss Amber Mitchell.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's good.
Alright, so why you pop the balloon?
I like darker skin guys. Yeah.
So you must be darker. Alright, no problem. Alright, so how much you rate him from 1 to 10
Hold
though?
on there. Alright, you're not the older person like darker skin guys, but at the end of the day, one of the control over complexion, you see me? And the darker one, them want to tell that, alright, what if my confidence was low? But I don't go to bleach now, right? You see me? Or like, I don't know, do something when my skin get more darker, then approach a girl, the girl will say she like a man with light. And then get some cream, get lighter, approach a girl, she like a darker man. You see me? I'm not really control over my skin, but you can't really use somebody's skin to tell them in personality and tell them what they're going to say or what got me in the next 5 minutes.
Well, I'm here looking for love, long term. So
How long
I
are you
have to
single?
pick 8 months.
8 months? 8 months? What happened?
Just a bad breakup.
Who break up? You or the person?
Me break up with him.
Why?
Off air.
Off air?
Mm.
And why type? Otherwise, some the complexion.
I like a hard working man, know how to take care of his woman. As you can see, I'm very high maintenance.
Why you receive love?
Huh?
Why do you receive love?
That's a hard question.
Yeah.
What?
You don't receive love often.
No.
Understand.
Yeah.
So how about him, based on him appearance?
To be honest, I would give him an 8.
Not bad. What do you think about she, Maji?
I mean like the Miss Ham thing, I mean, gotta speak good by yourself though. So, yeah, that thing from
10.
Okay, thank you.
But what you know? So before you get next relationship, before you can receive any love, you make sure you say you're in love with yourself first.
I am in love with
You sure?
myself. Trust me.
Alright, that's good. But there's always a new level.
No, I think I hit the level for myself.
Alright, Miss Ham. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yes.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm Cheyenne. The reason why I
Cheyenne?
Yes. The reason why I pop the balloon is because your shoe is a bit dirty. I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
No, hey.
And I don't like the socks.
Don't say something about this and not trying to be disrespectful. That's cool. Just your opinion, enough.
Well, your shoe is a bit dirty. I don't like the socks and I don't like the hat.
The hat?
Yeah.
Well, I know there's only one of them in Jamaica. This is unique. This is my brand. As you can see, Bones. So let me say, you never get the chance to see that side. It's because they were for a short period of time to try good things more on the know.
True.
It's like at the end of the day, everybody here says we're 3 face. It's me only show me one, but I just want everybody to see right now. Alright? Alright, shoes dirty, don't like socks, don't like hat. What else?
That's it.
That's it.
No.
Alright, so how much you rate him from 1 to 10? Based on him
Give
appearance?
him an 8.
8.
8. Not bad.
No.
Alright, what you think about she, Maji? What you rate her?
The feather tattoo, is there a meaning behind it?
No.
No? Alright, so I have a thing with feathers. I mean, there's a meaning behind feathers. That's the name about.
What's the meaning? What's the meaning?
That's the meaning.
Yeah.
If you ask, you know, I really understand. You
Okay.
research it. See,
Okay.
But before, well, I do a lot of research on certain things because I know that one point, I'm in a situation like this. Yes, man. I like tattoos as well, but my tattoos have come with a meaning.
Okay.
Yes, man. So, where's her brother? The girl is beautiful. Like, in Jamaica, isn't me?
Yeah.
10 I get it, dog. Isn't me?
So how much you rate her?
Yeah, 10.
10.
Come on.
Alright, my G.
I mean,
Alright.
alright, see the shoes now, brother? Rory.
Rolly.
Accent.
Yeah,
My accent.
I understand.
Accent. Nipa walking up and down, you know. But yeah. So, yeah. Not a good solution.
Alright, so we did have one balloon left. And then we have to now find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Oh, I'm ready. You know.
Alright, let's go. Alright, all of a sudden, we were about to make everybody walk with grace. Why pop the balloon?
Too flirty. You might give everybody 10, like. What me? Too much flirting.
You know,
this
something
one.
that's I talk too much. I say, all right, yeah, come here, right, talkative person, I come on to something, but flirt, no, I mean, honestly, them pretty for true. You know, think so?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know that.
So they tell her, say, so them pretty.
Hmm?
Would they tell them, say them pretty?
Yeah, I mean, that but you can't
Why
have
are
the
you afraid if you
everybody.
know?
So you're saying too flirtatious.
Yes,
Okay. And you're not like that.
right.
You like your man kind of
Yeah,
just.
I go out the road and then you see one girl like tell her you rate her 10, 100,000. You know? Yeah.
But if you be honest, I'm be honest, everybody look good. I mean, they deserve a number, right?
Alright, so what you think about him though? You never pop the balloon.
No, not until him start with everybody want be on 10 and so.
Or say, a bad mind person.
No. Just too flirty. You see it, I'm not like my man flirt.
Alright. So how much did I rate him though?
8.5.
8.5.
Because of the flirt.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, would I be?
10.
A good, isn't it?
Alright, so what you think about Tommy G?
You want to see a chain? Third eye. Okay, I see you. I see you. All right. In the entertainment industry,
Yes.
travel,
Yeah.
work together
No. Sometimes.
from Mobi.
Yeah.
How far did I go for travel from?
I'm not from Moby. I'm from Kingston, but I'm in Moby.
Which part of Kingston?
For Treeside. Duane Park.
Alright. So much you say you retire?
Kingston, and you me. The third eye. Give me 10.
10. Alright, my G.
But yeah, I mean, hey, yeah, I go there to find somebody. I mean, to be honest, walk, yeah, compliment every now and then. But hey, you know me, nothing. Me just me being genuinely nice, isn't me? And that most people can't separate. Like me being actually nice and actually me a flirt. Come let's start flirting none on it. Trust me.
Oh, alright.
Thanks. I mean,
Alright, come to the side of my G.
right, so we go side. So.
Alright, so every female that pop the balloon, walk with grace for me now. Alright, my G. So, we never get a batch today?
No man, that guy with that good bro, isn't me?
Yeah.
Isn't me? That good dog.
So, you have to walk with grace, okay?
Always walk with grace. Listen
Big
me.
up yourself,
Oh.
yeah?
Oh.
Big
Alright,
up.
isn't me?
Respect.
Alright man, take care.
Females, I don't know. While ago, I get you up in now, no? You know?
Yes.
What?
He was just not it.
Alright, then I understand. What about you?
The too much.
Never did that. Talk too much.
Not at all.
Alright, then watching me, I try my best to really rate the lineup. I am trying every minute to say, Jesus Christ, the same girl them. And me can't bother with that girl there. And the man them, yo, wanna beat my body now. Me I bring in a next meal. We are gonna see what go on. Ready? Please. Make him stand up right here, so. Okay? Alright? Yeah. Bring in the next meal for me now. Alright, come there, Samaji. Alright. Introduce yourself.
Code life, isn't it? Yeah.
Code life. Alright. Whatever work you do.
Dentistry. Yeah.
Alright then. What type of female you look for?
You know, somebody with have their head on the shoulder. You dig?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Alright. So nobody not pop the balloon yet. We can ask you like, what your ideal first date like? For bring a female, sweep her off her foot.
It's a regular vibe and a king, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just go on the beach, chill, eat some food, you know. That is it. Yeah.
Talking,
Really.
conversation.
Yeah, isn't it? The
Uh-huh.
vibe is there, you know.
Alright then. Code. So nobody pop their balloon. So you have a chance right now. Alright, cool. Just get a pop.
Believe.
So we're gonna find out why she popped the balloon, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright, come to that. Yes, sir. Your name? Why you popped the balloon?
I'm Cheyenne. First things first, we love your height, complexion, good, but your marina just dirty.
John, man.
That's it. I mean, I really like the chain, it too yellow. But you're fine.
Gold.
Yellow.
That is what?
Gold, that's yellow.
Believe.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
6.
6?
Yeah.
Alright. So what about she? What do you think about her?
I give her about a 5 there about, man. You know, man.
Give her a 5.
Yeah.
What you like about her?
She have drip, man. That's it.
She have drip.
Yeah.
What you like? What you see?
She, man, like how she put herself together, King. Is it? Yeah, man.
She come out. So if you see him on the road, you gonna give me a number?
Maybe if him didn't want clean up top.
The marina.
Yeah, just the marina and the chain. Throw me off.
Marina. Throw you off like Aki water.
Yeah, because dirty bad. And it's on the wrong side.
Oh, yeah, you're very good at details.
Yeah, man. You realize I'm come out clean and well put together.
Yeah, I want to AC for always knowing, you know, outside and like this. So
I understand. I could have taken off the marina, but that's okay.
Is what it
Alright.
is, yeah. Bless up, Queen, yeah.
Take care.
Alright. Come to this side. Right, that's over there.
Yeah.
Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny. It's just not giving for me. Are those test glasses or fashion glasses?
Tested, man. Tested.
They're tested glasses?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. I don't know if I like the swag. I see what you're doing with the jeans, but I'm just not feeling it, and I don't like your hair.
No problem, man.
I prefer someone that's, it's properly groomed. And if you don't mind me asking, what's this?
This incident happened, isn't it? There's nothing what you think. I don't know what you think. There's nothing like that. Yeah,
I'm just asking.
See,
Oh,
fully.
your details too.
I was like, what's that?
Okay, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
The height is good. You have a nice, really beautiful complexion, and you seem really polite. And
Thank you.
you have like a good personality. You seem like somebody I can communicate with, but like it's just not there for me like on that level. But I would give you like a 7
Bless, man.
for your
Appreciate it.
personality.
Yeah,
But me
man.
not like this swag.
It is what it is, you know.
Yeah, man,
I
good.
yours
Big up
too.
yourself.
You're good though, right?
Yeah, man.
So how much did I rate her? Like based on her appearance?
Yeah, man, she could have got a 7.5.
7.5.
Thank you. I
You
appreciate
like what you see?
Believe.
All right.
Believe. Alright, go down this line. Alright, step right here. Wipe.
She did really pop my balloon still, but anyway, take him would still pop it because I'm a G.
Hey, G.
Yeah, I'm a G man.
So you friend zone her.
Friends.
Long time.
Long time. Him friend zone you?
Long time.
Oh, so it could work out.
Life, my father.
There wouldn't be no us.
Oh, alright. So how much did I rate him though?
8. As a friend.
As a friend. What do you think about she?
Yeah, man. Good, bro. Believe, man.
How much did I rate her?
Yeah, man. About 6 there, about, you know.
6. Believe.
Fully.
Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Jassy, not my type. Just believe.
Jazzy, not your type. Alright. How much did I rate him though, based on him appearance?
Give me a 7.
He must 7. Alright, no problem. My G, code. Based on Jazzy appearance, if you see her outside, would you approach her?
No. Not really.
No.
Believe.
So how much did I rate her?
I have about a 4 or something.
4 out of 10.
Yeah, respectfully.
Yeah, just believe, man.
Respectfully. Alright, down the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Brooklyn.
Why you pop the balloon, Brooklyn?
Why in just need feel like groom here so more.
Oh, just in ear.
Yeah, in skin complexion and everything nice. Cause me say me love my black man them.
Yeah, you get a black man who walk come in.
Yeah.
So you're really picky. Yes, sir. Where the black man them there? One black man reach him. And you pop.
But him good.
Alright, how much you rate him?
And then me pop my balloon with the lady here with enough self.
So you didn't pop the balloon, you want a balloon then?
That's okay.
Alright, so how much you rate him?
Nobody too thick for me, but like them maga. But him good, he not good.
What do you think about that code?
Off the scale, negative, man, Jay.
I'm not here.
Nah, bro. She good, man. Is it? Fully.
Okay. Alright, Machi. Come to the side here. Alright, somebody just pop you. Alright. So you pop the balloon. Why all of a sudden? Why now?
You know, I love the fashion. It's giving like, you know, Nigerian Lagos boys and
That's
stuff.
my road, mama. Bless.
Yeah, yeah.
That is it.
I see. But the energy,
Mhm.
I was not feeling your energy. And I'm all about spirituality and energy.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Say less.
It's a 9 for me though.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
But just him energy?
Because he's tall, he's chocolates, you know, my type, but just the energy. See if him, the energy was, you know, and spirit, if I was feeling him spiritual wise, it would be a 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you say about that code?
Yeah, man. She connected, bro. Believe.
So the energy, where you can answer that?
I understand what she's saying, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. She on point, man. You see? Believe.
So,
Yeah,
okay,
man.
so shall I say you probably
I
lay back?
appreciate the realness. Alright? Yeah, man.
How much did I rate him?
I said a 9.
9. And what about she? How much did I rate her?
I'm gonna give her about the same thing, man.
9.
Why a
Powers,
9?
man.
Why a 9?
Give blessings where blessings come from, you know?
I understand.
Yeah, man. Appreciate. That is it.
Code.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so everybody who pop the balloon, walk with grace for me now. Alright, code.
On
So,
the spot media, man.
Eh?
On the spot media.
On the spot media.
But it's a roller TV, is it?
Yeah.
Big up self, Kiki, you know?
Fully
No
my
joke,
G.
no joke.
Alright, so we have female here. She never popped the balloon. So what we're gonna do, she's gonna ask her a question, and you're gonna ask her back a question, and then we are gonna find out if it's a match, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Alright then. What's the one question you want to ask him to get to know him?
Do you have kids?
No.
No. Do you want kids?
Yeah, in the future.
How old are you?
29.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, what's your question, Code?
What's your ambitions in life? Like what?
My ambitions in life. My ambition, well, I have this ambition for a while, but I want to be a fashion designer. Yeah, because that's where I think my passion, well, I'm a creative person. I've done many things here, makeup, everything, but the one thing that has stuck with me was fashion because I just love create stuff because I don't like to look like everybody else. So.
That is it. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you get an answer?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so where would you bring her on the first date though? Like, is apart from the beach, you know?
Apart from the beach.
Like seeing her right now and when I know her feel the vibes and thing. Like,
Oh no, probably simple thing, bro. Restaurant. I really like to keep the energy. That's it. Oh yeah.
But definitely, I don't do simple. I like down to earth stuff, but like you saying the word simple just sound like ordinary. Me like a man who like to think outside the box because I'm an outside the box
When
person.
I say simple, I just mean calm scene. Nothing extra.
Calm scene,
Yeah. Just,
meaning.
Just something elegant. You understand? Something simple for the first time.
Give
Just
me
to
a
get to know each other.
give me a feel. Me like use your wordplay. Give me a feel of how simple and how that I go feel, how that I go look.
Out I go look me, you at a table drinking wine and eating food. That's how it's gonna look.
what you say about that?
I understand.
So alright.
Wait.
but still the word simple. Certain words, me not like when man say just turn me off.
Oh, so simple is.
Yeah.
You know, like good words.
No,
Simple.
no.
Alright, so you want to go back for a balloon?
No.
I like what you
But
said
in
about
fashion
that.
and everything nice. Me like when put himself together and
I like what
me
you
like
said
the
about
burner
the
boy
fashion.
vibe effect, you know.
Really, I'm into fashion too, you know. We could do something. We'll link up after. We can
Of course, we
definitely
can do something after.
Yeah.
If this is not a match, you know, though, link up. Go on, matches link up.
When we
No
link up, it's
front
gonna
end for
be
the
strictly
YouTube too,
professional though. Nothing.
Definitely. Alright. Bless up.
Alright, so awkward Grace here. Code.
Some will be enough find nothing this week, bro.
I thought it was going to be a match. No joke. Yeah? So you know it go. You have to just walk with Grace here.
Yes, you hear that, God.
Fully.
Thank you.
How the Mobile vibes feel? No, mama, hear the real number. How the Mobile vibes feel?
Awesome!
Alright, you not beat Kingston?
Yes!
You not beat Ochi?
Yes! And we are gonna still beat Negril.
Alright. Alright, we are sending the next meal, you know. Send him in. Please, make him reach right here, sir. Low down around here, sir. Volume. Send in the next meal for me now. Right. Wait until him reach right here, sir, please. Right here, sir. Right here, sir. Come right here, sir, my G. Alright. Introduce yourself.
And it's one Paula Keem.
Paula Keem. Alright. Shout out the social, that is it.
And it's on Instagram, mastermind_50 states. On TikTok, one Paula _Keem.
Alright. What about work you do?
My entrepreneur.
Big money. Big breeze. Eh?
Anything else for them and a lie.
Alright then. So, what type of girl you like? What's your type?
I don't have a type for that, it really matter.
Wow. We'll find out why them pop balloon that good.
Yeah, man, that's cool.
Alright, just use the mic here. Start right here, sir. Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
I'm Cheyenne, and the reason why I popped the balloon is because you don't have a type. And I like a man who knows what he needs.
Alright. And based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
Can give you an 8. You look good.
Alright, my G, what you think about her? Like, is she a type?
Yeah, man, she hot, man.
She hot?
Yeah.
How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
Give her a 9, man.
9. Not bad.
Not at all.
Yeah? Alright, we'll go down the line. Alright, your name? Why you pop balloon?
Hi, I'm Miss your profession.
Entrepreneur.
Yeah, I wanted to hear more. And you come for first impression lasts long. I'm a fashion person. It's not given for me, but trust me. I like darker skin guys, but I give you an 8. Yeah, and I like when your hair is more groomed.
Same ear and groom.
No, I think he didn't prepare.
Okay. How much you rate him?
8.
8. What do you think about her? How much you rate her? Like based on her appearance and everything?
I'll give her 8, man.
Huh?
I'll give her 8.
8. Not bad.
Yeah, man.
2 8.
That's okay.
Calculus. I come to that side here. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny. I pop because if you don't know what's your type, how are you sure that you want me?
Well, that's the energy I work with, So if my energy match, I that work with. No matter if you're black, brown, that's energy I work with.
So if we start talking and my energy is not so good and you find somebody else with a better energy, then you're going to just run and go for the better energy.
No, it's not so.
Yeah.
You don't know what you want. You're indecisive.
No.
I don't think so. But you seem like a jovial person. So I would give you like a 6. I think your outfit would be a little bit more completed if you wear a nice little jeans, you know?
Try summertime, man.
Understand.
Yeah.
So how much did I rate him?
I just said I would give him a 6.
6. Me never hear, sorry.
That's okay.
Rating Boshi.
She cute and everything. I give her a 10.
10.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm cool, but you know, I don't know what I want.
Alright, come down the line. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Hello, my name is Paul. The reason why I popped is because him look too young and him look very shy. Me shy. Me not like a shy man.
Or say him look shy?
Yeah, him look very shy.
You know that?
No.
You want an outspoken man?
Yeah, but a man where I go.
Brighten the room.
Yep.
Alright.
So how old are you?
I'm 30.
I'm 30 next year.
Okay.
Because I'm a groom myself, that's why I look so young.
Me too.
Yeah.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give him an 8.
8, not bad. Rating Boshi, you know. Would she be a
So
type?
because she judged me because of my look, I give her 7.5.
7.
Yeah.
No problem?
No.
Alright. Come down the line. Why you on your mouth?
No, man, actually, my friend.
Oh, your friend. Must be here, like, you know everybody.
God, one pole of God. Friend zone.
Oh, you friends on him?
We friend zone each other.
So you try it and it never work.
No, sir. Try what? Try what?
Alright, waiting.
We're always friends.
Yeah, man, I know me, man.
Oh, she know you.
Yeah.
Alright, so how much did I rate a friend?
8, man.
8.
Mhm.
My G, what she get?
Yeah, 8, man.
8 for 8.
Yeah.
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 Friend.
Alright, come to the side there. You hear him? Why you pop the balloon?
Just you. I don't know if you say it. The one heavy.
Why?
Look like him full of man. You don't know what you want. Yeah.
What you say?
I chose you know me.
She know you?
Yeah.
Oh, so she know you. So him full of woman then?
Yeah. Too much.
Too much woman?
Too much.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Give my 8. Yeah.
What do you think about she?
Yeah, 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
Respect.
As a friend, your friends won't she?
Yeah, man, hang up, man.
Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon? Brooklyn.
He knows me.
Very good. Very
We're
good.
friends. We're friends.
My G.
From school days.
Don't wanna grow up together.
Yeah, we know from school days.
So you never tried?
No. And him never try, so.
Oh, you never tried, him never tried.
Yeah.
You left room and him never. Hey, must see it. My G.
Not with him, man. I get too much problem.
What do you think about she?
Good, man, give her 8, man.
Friend 8.
Yeah.
Just because you share your friend, that's why you get the 8?
No, say some man.
Alright, what do you think about him?
Is that 8 for me too?
Same thing. Alright, my G, come to the side there. Cha-cha. Alright, so everybody who popped the balloon, walk with grace for me now. That's everybody, my G. You never find a match today?
Nah, my free, man.
Nah, I'm free. Yo, walk with grace here, my G. Alright, so female, this is the last male. God, I pray that you send the male come and one of these female find love. Because one of them now have love for 8 months now. Answer our prayer, God, please. Amen. Yeah. Alright. So send in the next male for me now.
I give me like here. I have money. I may have 2 houses. I bury some money. I go dig up here and share it here. I go buy a car where you want. Here? I got you. But alright, you know, you can't live.
What you say?
You want.
Oh, so you're in a business. Who else?
I'm responsible. Nothing over there, sir. You, I want. May I go for your money when you finish, here? I have 2 houses. I bury some money in one of the yard. You can choose one of the yard. But I go give you half my money still. I go buy what you want. Design everything. I own man.
Alright. Alright, so what's your name? You're not even introduce yourself yet?
My name is John Gotti, aka Sugar Daddy. Gotti.
Sugar Daddy.
Now watch them. They don't want nothing out of life.
Sugar Daddy. The girl them Sugar Daddy.
What you mean?
Alright, why you social?
Me?
Yeah.
Free single and disengagement.
No, you're social like your Instagram or so.
TikTok still got it.
Still, alright, TikTok. Alright, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon that good.
No more hear from she. Me done with them.
So you know, I want to find out why them pop the balloon.
Baby, talk to me.
We have to start with she and we'll go down the line. And then we'll come back to she quick.
Pop the balloon yet.
She pop her balloon, so we have to go find out.
It's left now.
Hold on, we'll find out why you pop the balloon. Come to the side of me, G. Your name?
My name is Cheyenne. The reason why I pop the balloon is because you're short. That's all.
Thank you. Left.
That's it, and how much did I rate him?
2.
Oh, you rate him 2 out of 10. How much did I rate him, G?
0.
Alright. Wait, give a minute. Yeah. Come down the line, G. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny.
Why you pop the balloon, Zenny?
Too arrogant and short and old.
Alright, how much did I rate him though?
0.
Yeah, lash them to put on good. Left. Next.
How much did I rate her though? How much did I rate her?
I'll give you a 7.
No, she.
0. Too much makeup.
How much did I reach? No, why you pop the balloon? Sorry. Sorry about that.
Well, it's just too old for me.
Thank you.
And short.
Me give you a 6, but you're old too.
Hold on, give me a minute, my G. Yeah, how much did I rate him though? Because I'm short?
6.
6. Alright. You say you get her a 6?
6 me give her.
Alright. Your name why you pop the balloon?
I tell me for puppy.
Yeah, come in like your wig. Yo, left, you're a pitney.
I am old man.
You're out tight. Come on, baby, talk to me.
Alright, shh. Wait. Hold on. Alright, so everybody who pop them balloon, awkward grace for me.
Wanna lift up.
Alright, my G.
Yeah.
So, she never pop her balloon.
No.
Want to find out if because you tell her to never pop the balloon, I should never pop it willingly.
No, I don't know her for sure.
Yeah? What happened?
I first met this man and I'm not lying. I love the vibe.
Love the
My
vibe.
daddy. Him tell me, you know, and I need to ask him. But I still want to know why you choose me.
Honestly, I like orange.
Okay.
Bad.
Okay.
Me peep on you before me come around and me say, are you? Me not responsive, none of them. Me not even look upon them.
Just the color grab you.
Believe.
So any girl in our orange?
No, she.
Alright, why you choose this color today?
It's my favorite color.
I love it.
Connect. Alright, so what I gotta do? I want him ask you a question. And based on your answer, you're gonna ask him a question too. Get to know him and thing. We're gonna find out, okay? Alright, so you go. What's the question for him? Find out.
How many children you got?
You want me to be honest with you? 9. But me rich.
Okay.
Be a rich girl, me to get pregnant. So that good. You don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what's my monthly allowance?
Me I put it to 200,000
Okay.
every month.
Okay.
Alright. Can be more, you know. Depends on how you cooperate, but you're good. I'm like you.
Waiting about that. That high, low?
It's okay.
So-
Think of a few things.
Want to know nothing out of life, man.
Can cover a few things. Alright, my G. Ask her a question. Get to know her.
What's your name, please?
Amber.
Amber. Where you from?
St. Elizabeth.
I'm going to put you in one of the house, then I'll take you from country.
Okay.
Yeah? Got you.
All right.
So, any more questions? Sugar Daddy, man?
Round 2.
Round 2.
Yes.
What is round 2?
Babes, are good. We talk about this off the camera. Everything alright.
All right. What your mindset be?
You know, I like what he's saying. I like when he put everything on the counter. But I didn't find a match here. But I saw someone, felt his energy. He's everything that I want and see in a man. Off the air, behind the camera and stuff. Yes, I'm gonna pop my balloon.
Whoa. You mean say you see somebody behind the camera?
Him broke. Don't pop a balloon yet.
But we can build together.
Him broke.
We can build together.
Yes, me say
We're
man
young.
broke. You don't want to do that right now. Pop the balloon.
And trust me, I've been a sugar baby for years.
God no.
God no.
Papi.
Yeah.
You don't want nothing out of life either.
So you pop the balloon base because
Yeah. Because me know it's for a
You say it's somebody
moment.
else.
it's for a moment in our last.
And I see something that's
This is somebody
everlasting
else.
Behind the camera?
behind the camera.
Oh, both said.
No.
Oh.
Oh yes, like could you pick the person though? Could you call him forward?
No, you have to watch the other series, the other show for that.
Alright, no problem. What you have to say?
Bye.
Alright. Walk with Grace here. Alright, so people, when you know it go, end of the video. Thanks you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Yo, just do all of that. God bless you. Moby, it was a vibe. Big up Live Boss. Big up a sponsor. Motor Source. You don't know. Yo, big up KNS, Arthur. Body in a real life. God night.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunchy.
GCT forever and ever we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Eh. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.
It's a